Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, let's start today's session. We are continuing the chapter number 7, and today's topic is variation and type of root. Okay, let's start. Buju has a brilliant idea. If he wants to know what kind of the root is a plant has, then he need not to pull it out. He just has to look at its leaf. Now see how. Okay, as I have already told you, there are two type of venation. The first is reticular venation, and the second type of the venation is called parallel venation. If the leaf have the reticular venation, then the root will be always taproot. You can see in this picture, this is the leaf having the reticular venation. Reticular venation means network type of venation. Then the root will always be taproot. A primary root will be there and the secondary roots will come out from the primary one, right? Then reticular venation, then always root will be taproot system will be formed. The next is if the venation is parallel, it means if the these lines are the veins, the arrangement of the vein is parallel to each other, then this type of venation is called parallel venation. If the root plant is having the parallel venation, then root always will be the fibrous root. Now next. Now, this is a table given in your book, types of root and types of leaf venation. Then you have to write the name of the plant and then you have to find out the venation and types of root. Now, I have already filled this grass, the plant is grass. Then the leaf venation found in the grass is parallel. And the type of root will be fibrous. And tulsi or basil, this have the reticulate venation and the root system will be the taproot system, and you can fill any other plants also. Okay, now next is to show that this is an activity, to show that root fix the plant in ground. Okay, then for this activity we need some few seeds of gram and cotton wool and one ball and some water. Okay, then we will take two bowls and put some wet cotton wool over it and place 3 to 4 gram of the seeds in that bowl and sprinkle the water over it so that it will remain the wet. And after 3 or 4 days you will see germination in the seed. इट डिपेंड ऑन द टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो. गर्मियों में जल्दी हो जाता है और जाड़ों में थोड़ा सा टाइम लेता है, विंटर्स में थोड़ा सा टाइम लेता है. देन व्हेन द यू हैव टू कीप इट अप टू दैट व्हेन द प्लांटलेट विल ग्रो. जब इसमें प्लांटलेट ग्रो हो जाएंगे तो आप देखोगे कि इसमें रूट जो है वो कॉटन बॉल में जो आपके कॉटन फाइबर्स हैं उनके बीच बीच में चली जाती है ना. इट विल बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सेपरेट द प्लांट फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम. इट मीन्स वो जो कॉटन बॉल के ऊपर ग्रो कर रहा है वहाँ से आपको हटाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. द रीज़न इज दैट बिकॉज द रूट प्रोवाइड एंकरेज टू द प्लांट. सेम हैपन्स इन केस ऑफ द सॉइल ऑल्सो. सॉइल में भी जब ये रूट प्लांट की रूट्स जो हैं वो सॉइल के अंदर चली जाती हैं तो उसे एंकर कर लेती हैं इनटू द सॉइल. देन इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू पुल इट आउट, है ना. ओके, देन इट प्रूव्स दैट root fix the plant in ground. Okay, now one more experiment is there. This is to show that starch is produced during the photosynthesis. For this experiment we need this setup, and we have to take a green leaf from a plant which is in the sunlight for 3 to 4 hours. Then we will pluck this leaf from the plant. Then you have to keep this leaf in a test tube having the alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Then in you will take a beaker. In that beaker you have to put the water and you will boil that water. और उस boiling water में आप कैसे रखोगे इस test tube को. इस test tube के अंदर है leaf और वो किस में बॉयल हो रही है. वाटर बॉयल होगा, देन अल्कोहल बॉयल होगा, देन उस अल्कोहल में लीफ जो है वो बॉयल मतलब बॉइलिंग अल्कोहल में पड़ी हुई है. देन this leaf will decolorize. The green color of the leaf will be disintegrate. It means the chlorophyll pigment which is present in this leaf that will disintegrate and the leaf will become pale yellow, or we can say colorless, right? Okay, then you will take out this leaf and put this leaf into a patty dish and pour the iodine solution over it. Then you will see this leaf will change into the blue color blackish blue color. It shows the presence of stars in it. अगर ये अच्छा blackish blue है तो ज़्यादा stars बना हुआ है, हल्का सा है इसका मतलब कम stars बना हुआ है. Stars is present. If blue color is seen, then on pouring iodine solution over it, then it shows that presence of stars. Then it proves that stars is produced during the photosynthesis. Okay, and then this is enough for today. Thanks for watching me.